More, buddy. Do it so it moves a little bit. Watch the, oh, the fish?
Oh, yeah, I got one.
Okay, hang on. Oh, you do!
Have a fish. Have a fish.
You got a trout, man.
Have a trout.
Back up a little bit.
He's fighting. He is fighting. Buddy, stop.
Stop.
Oh, I got a big one.
Oh, it's a bass.
Whoa.
You got a bass, buddy.
Oh, that's a good boy.
First cast with the new rod, he caught a bass.
This is a good boy I got.
Holy.
Ew. That's a boy.
Watch out for the fishing rod there, Missy.
I caught this guy.
Good job,
I have.
Holy, that's a big one.
I got him.
That's awesome,
I
bud.
fished for him.
Oh.
He looks like blue because his
So what?
mouth is open wide. That guy? That him? That
Yeah,
him.
here. Oh, yeah, look at the camera here.
Ew.
Look over here, buddy. Hey, stand beside Dad. Give him a pet.
Is it slimy?
You gonna give him a kiss?
No!
Oh, careful.
I'm not
You wanna
kissing
pet
his
it?
mouth. No.
It's a good size.
I got a big guy.
Want to give him a kiss?
He looks like blue.
Wanna touch it?
I'm seeing how big this splash is. Throw
Put him
it.
in the water gently.
So.
There he goes. Hey,
You wanna
good
go up?
job, man.
Good job, dude.
Whoa, he's biting.
Yeah, I see that. Oh, careful. Hold on tight. Oh, it's a big trout.
You got a big one.
Hang on. Oh, that's a big boy. Don't let go of the rod.
Here he is. Do you have him?
Grab your fishing rod.
There's See a rainbow trout?
There's a rainbow trout.
There's a rainbow on there.
Oh,
Whoa, he has pink.
that's a nice fish.
Yeah, you got a good one.
You brought him in. Should we keep him or let this one go? I think we'll let this one go, okay?
Okay, should you throw it?
That's a big trout.
Can I pet him?
Yeah.
He's bleeding.
Is he?
Yeah.
All right, give him a pet. Look at the camera. Come here. Look, come over here.
Wait, did you got bleed by him?
All right, let's put him back.
Wait, did you got bleed? Dad, did you got bloody?
No, it's just from him.
Oh.
There he goes.